In classical causality, such that A to B. 1.1. When B exists, A does not exist, except historically. 1.2. Since change is constant, B is never still, no matter how brief the observation. 1.3. But all change involves two moments, A and B. 1.4. Therefore, B can only be experienced in two moments. 1.5. But any two moments, A and B, are mutually exclusive in causal terms. And here again we come to dilemma. In classical causality, such that A to B. 1.1. Different though the sexes are, they intermix. When B exists, A does not exist. A vacillation from one to the other takes place. A needs space to grow. B to breathe, more than anything else. 1.2. Since change is constant, it is only the clothes that keep the male or female likeness, where, underneath, the sex is never still, no matter how brief the observation. Of the complications and confusions which thus results, everyone has had experience. 1.3. But all change involves two moments, A and B. In this particular case, A, I was trying to go into the military. B, I went hyperfeminine to start with. 1.4. Therefore, B can only be experienced in two moments. In process of fabrication, change is incessant, and change perhaps may never cease, for which do not quite enjoy, but relish the challenge. 1.5. But any two moments, A, such as she was man, and B, such as she was woman, are mutually inclusive in causal terms, in which vacillation is the most natural and whirligig state of mind to be in. Little bit shorter, little bit narrower, long hair. Actually, long hair would be really good. Thus, it is no great wonder, as one sex is pitted against the other, and each is found full of the most deplorable infirmities, and it's unsure to which one belongs. In classical causality, such that A to B. 1.1. When B exists, A exists. 1.2. Since change is constant, A and B are never still, no matter how brief the observation. 1.3. All change involves a multiplicity of moments, not limited to A and B. 1.4. Therefore, A and B can only be experienced gradually. 1.5. But any two moments, A and B, are mutually inclusive in causal terms. 1.6. Consciousness cannot be explained in classical causal physics.